Hello there. So this is how to generate AI images for free on Imagine Anything. So first thing you need to do is just go into your browser and then go to imagineanything.ai. And then once you're inside the website, you're going to need to go ahead and sign up. I'll just register with Google. Now, once you're already logged in, you can just scroll down and find these beautiful AI generated images that other people created. And if you click on any of them, you can even see the prompts that they used and the category, the tags, whatever you need. And you can also download the images from other people's generations as well. Now, if you go back to the home page, if you want to create AI images, you could just tap here in this text box and type away your prompt. Now I just typed in a prompt, a fairy tale horse with a shark's head running in the forest. And keep in mind, you get 10 generations and 10 downloads every month, so use them wisely. And I'll just go ahead and generate. I'll just click on this generate button, and the image just takes a minute to generate. Now, once it's done generating, you'll have the image right below the text box here. And look at how pristine and high quality that image is. You can go ahead and just download it, or you can edit it. So you just click on this edit icon and you can resize the image to the size that you want. So yeah, that is pretty much it on using imagineanything.ai. Hope that video is helpful.